Does your cooking change over the summer? It certainly does for me. We do a lot of grilling in the summer, and then it's all about the sides. One of our favorite sides is sauteed mushrooms and onions. No matter what's on the grill, this is a great side dish that adds amazing umami flavor. Let's hit the frying pan and get this started. I'm gonna add my sliced mushrooms to a hot, dry pan where they're gonna release all the moisture. Once that moisture has evaporated and they're starting to brown, I'm gonna add butter and oil for the best of both flavors, and then let that cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Then I'm going to add my onions and get them nice and soft and tender, just the way I like them. Let that cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, and then deglaze with a little bit of red wine, a little bit of soy sauce for the best flavor. Let that cook again another 3 minutes, and you are set to go. I cannot stress enough how important it is to taste test your food. They're so good. A little bit more pepper. Sprinkle on a little bit of greenery. Beautiful. This is gonna be so delish.